Welcome to today's video. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to view all shared documents in a WhatsApp community using WhatsApp Web on your PC. Whether you're looking for important files or just staying organized, this tutorial will make it easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, scan the QR code with your phone to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats and communities displayed. Next, locate the community where the shared documents are stored. Scroll through your list of chats and communities until you find the one you're looking for. Click on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the chat window where the community's name is displayed prominently. Click on the name to open the Contact Info section. This action will bring up a menu with various options related to your community. From the Contact Info menu, navigate to the section labeled Media, Links, and Docs. This is where all shared files are categorized for easy access. Click on this option to proceed. Once inside Media, Links, and Docs, you'll see different tabs for media files, links, and documents. To specifically view shared documents, click on the Docs tab. Here, you'll find a neatly organized list of all documents that have been shared within the community. And that's it. You can now browse through the list of documents and easily locate what you need. Whether it's a PDF, presentation, or any other file type, WhatsApp Web makes it convenient to access shared resources. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you navigate WhatsApp Web more efficiently, don't forget to share it with friends who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.